Hey everyone, Jacob with MarineMax Savannah here. Wanted to give you a tour of the 2025 Sea Ray SDX 270. You'll see that this one comes with a dual axle trailer. You've also got trim tabs back here. You've got some underwater lights. You've got a Mercury 300 V8 on the back. And yeah, this is a great package. Let me take you aboard. All right, everyone. We are now inside the 2025 Sea Ray SDX 270 and wanted to give you a quick overview of the bow up here. You'll go ahead and you'll first notice that there is a swim ladder right up front there for your convenience. That is very helpful down here where you're going up to these beaches and it's shallow water and you can go right off the bow. You've got this very nice foldable bow table up here. So when you have company, you can get your charcuterie and your wine and whatever else you'd like up there. So it's got a great bow layout, plenty of seating, lots of space for company. And then I'll come on and take you back here to our helm station. So this Sea Ray comes with twin Simrads, which is very convenient. You can have your fish finder, you can have your charts, you can have your Mercury vessel view up all at the same time. You've got your trim tab controls right there. Very easy. This is actually the upgraded version too that has the illuminated lights, so you are able to see where those trim tabs are sitting. I'll go ahead and open this up for you here. This is a full head, and on the previous 270s, this was on the port side. You didn't have that same seating that's down in there, and it was a little bit tighter. So Sea Ray really did a nice job with opening this up, making it a lot more user-friendly. Obviously that's plenty of space and can store a few things down there as well. Go ahead and close this. Okay, go ahead and show you over here on the port side. You've got your Fusion stereo system. Plenty of speakers throughout the boat. This thing really makes some good noise. And then right here you've got some L-shaped seating. This transitions right here. So if you want to lay out along the back over here, you can do that. You know, obviously you're moving, you want to look forward, sit up there with the driver, you can just switch it right back there. Nice little thing that Sea Ray's been doing too is they'll add these USB ports right here for phone charging or whatever electronics you have. That is all throughout the boat. I'll show you a couple more spots where that is. Once again, plenty of storage all throughout the boat. Almost all of these seats are going to pop up and have storage solutions here. You've got, and this is better than previous models. I mean, you've just got a plethora here. Okay, you've got this really nice table, tons of seating. You go ahead, you've got some courtesy lights down here. When it's at night, you want to watch your step, you know, getting on and off the dock. That's really nice to have. Bring you back to the swim deck here. You've got this great space for laying out, relaxing. There's this little piece right here that comes out. There's a tow bar that can come with the boat. You can go ahead and attach that for skiing and water sports. And then, once again, I wanted to show you, you've got another USB port back here for whoever's lounging. You've also got your Fusion head control unit back here, which makes it really easy. You don't have to keep moving to the front of the boat to control the stereo. You've got a freshwater rinse down right here. Very convenient. Kids are getting on the boat. They got sand and mud all over them. Just wash them down and be good to go. And then last but definitely not least, we've got the Mercury 300 V8. Plenty of power. This boat gets up on plane with no problem. Those trim tabs will constantly help you with staying level. And it's a very convenient boat to use. So if you want to know more, you want to see more, please come check us out here at Savannah MarineMax. Thanks.